up, Dajaybies? It's your girl Dajay, and today I'm back at it again with another video. Feeling happy, blessed, and beautiful as always. Today I am here with another video, and I am going to be doing I guess you can say, taking out my passion twist, taking out my locks, whatever you want to call it. But I'm probably gonna name it taking out my passion twist. I've had these braids in, or these twists in, for a month now. Normally I don't leave braids in that long. I just don't. Health of your hair, I feel like it's not good. Some people leave them in for 2 months, some people leave them in for a month. Me personally, I literally leave braids in for maybe like a week or 2 weeks and then take them out as soon as they get frizzy, just because one, I'm not patient with styles. I want to change my look up 24/7, and two, when it gets frizzy, it starts to look a hot mess and it starts to be more difficult to kind of be universal with the styles. So I think it's about time. As you can see, there's definitely a lot of new growth and stuff like that, so I'm going to take them out. I want you guys to pause the video right here and comment down in the description box below and guess how many braids you guys think I have in my head. So let me part them in the middle. I want you to guess how many braids you guys think I have in my head. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to, at the end, let you guys know how many braids there are, and I'm also going to show you how much hair was actually in my head, which is honestly going to be really ridiculous because I know there was a lot of braids. And after I'm done with this, I'm planning out to blow it out, to trim it. Let's get into this video and take these braids out. I'm literally just going to take them out like this. One more braid, thank gosh. I started this at, I think literally at 12 o'clock, and it's 2:28 now. So I haven't been at it that long, but oh my gosh, it's crazy. Honestly, this actually took less time doing this than it did like when I had my box braids and stuff, because my box braids, like, you have to unravel and then it gets tangled and all that extra stuff and all that. And then my hair underneath feels pretty soft. What's about this much? Now, don't freak out, this is not a lot of hair. This is actually a normal amount for my hair to be in a braids for a month. This is a normal amount of hair for it to come out. Because I haven't been able to comb it for a month. And when your hair is long and big like this, you have bigger hair balls. So literally, like, yeah. As far as my braids, I counted 250 braids in my head. So all the hair that was in my head is all of this. That's insane, absolutely insane. But yeah, that's how much I counted. I'm going to wash it, or have my mom wash it, because I didn't know how much new growth it was, and I really do not have time to do it by myself because I'm tired, and it is 3:20. I started at 12, so not that bad, but I feel like if I do all this today, it will end up into a long night. So I will be doing this tomorrow. Okay guys, so I'm gonna be off this camera soon because I'm looking mad crusty, but this is the contraption my mom decided to do on my head. I don't know, she's trying to pull some old school stuff that I used to do when I was a little girl, but we're just letting my hair sit, simmer, stuff like that with the olive oil. We did olive oil because we could not find the stuff in the store, the heat protectant in the store. So we just did olive oil. That's what I used to do as a little girl because where I live, there's no heat protectant for us. So we had to make our own. So this is what I did. I'll be back. You guys will see all the shebang, the outcome, and I'll see you on a little bit. Peace.